so stupid. Why did I hit stop? Oh. Birdie. Yeah. Alright, let's keep walking. Oh, my nose is itchy. Have you ever gotten to like the top of the hill before?
No, I haven't.
I have.
Usually when we come here, we just kind of go to the beach or whatever. We don't go walking.
Oh, well, I mostly come walking when I'm here, and last time we were here, we went all the way up to the We went all the way up to the top of the hill.
How long did that take?
Like an hour, I think.
Oh, we should go. We totally have time. What time is it?
8:47.
Oh, we have enough time.
Ow. Alright. Oh, I thought there was a fork. That's... no.
We could go that way. It's really good, but there's some deadly branches here.
No, I'm not going that way. Come this way. Oh, God. I'm walking through webs over here. If there's a spider on me, tell me, but, like, try to flick it off.
I don't see anything. Oh, a dragonfly.
Oh, jeez. Sorry, there's, like, stuff all over my arm. What were you looking at, dragonfly?
It flew away now.
Oh. Here, you go in front.
Why?
Just you go in front.
You want me to walk into all the webs?
Yes. Okay, some of the webs, not all of them.
Okay.
Oh, that was a weird noise. Sorry, there was a dragonfly coming right at me. Well, it's a big dragonfly, all right?
Oh, okay.
Well, there's a stick in our way. We gotta go back.
Aw. Ruined the whole trip. You killed the tree. You should help it up.
More birds. There's another dragonfly. Don't even know if I'm getting it on camera because I'm twitching around.
Oh, that's doomberries.
Are you sure that's what those are?
Yes, I pick them all the time.
Are you positive?
I am 100%.
Because I don't want you dying of
I'm
poison.
100% positive.
Alrighty then. I just don't want you to be dying on me, alright?
Okay.
Oh. Well, I can taste this coffee from that ice cream.
That's disgusting. What are you doing?
I wiped bug spray into my mouth.
Oh.
Ooh, water.
Ooh.
Yeah, I knew I heard rushing water, but I didn't know where the heck it was coming from.
This water isn't moving though.
It comes...
over there.
Your finger just like took up the entire screen.
Sorry.
Alright. I think there's like a waterfall or a river over here or something.
I don't think there's a waterfall. I thought it was really, really small.
It's a waterfall.
Oh, I see a culvert.
Culvert?
Mm-hmm. The water should probably coming out of the culvert, I'm guessing.
Bug spray.
Are you alright? I see you dying.
Yeah, I'm fine. I just spit all over my screen.
Ooh.
Ow. Yeah, I'm hearing water. Definitely hearing water. Oh, there's another person. There it is.
I was right. It is the culvert. Oh, maybe not. Yes, it is.
Yeah. Still a bug spray on my face. And it tastes horrible.
I don't know where to go now. Like,
Oh, this is where I was talking about. See this place? This is where my dad always fished. Yeah, this is where my dad always fished. And then that's the trail we always climbed on. Okay. And over there, that dirt we always climbed on as well.
Does he ever catch any fish here?
I don't know. We haven't fished here in a long time, and I think the deck is gone. But these are the... Yeah, there was a dock here, like a little one. Oh. But this is the trail we always used. Oh, do you want to climb on the dirt?
Yes, obviously.
Stop wiping your face with your arm, you idiot.
It says no trespassing, though.
Oh.
We will trespass. Actually, that's against the law.
Yeah, I think I saw the dock over here.
They have like a big dock on the other side.
Yeah, I know. Stop wiping your face.
Yeah,
that's where the dock used to be.
Oh.
But it's kind of submerged underwater now.
Oh, look at the nice pond.
Yeah, this is where we occasionally fished.
Do you swim here?
No.
Why not?
Look at all those bugs.
Ooh.
Because this is like connected to the trout pond, I think.
We have the trout pond dock is over there.
Yeah, so you can't really swim in here.
Yeah, you can. You just might get eaten by trout, which don't eat you, but that's okay.
You might get eaten by something that doesn't eat you.
Yeah, that's fine. Let's go climb the
Actually, I think this is where the dock used to be, because I see a pole there in the water.
hill. A hole in the water.
No, a pole in the water.
Oh, maybe.
Alright, so you want to keep going, or you want to trespass and climb on there?
We can do that after. We need to make it to the top first.
I'm itchy. Stupid mosquitoes.
Oh, the heron. Beautiful.
It's a great blue heron, by the way.
Yes, it is a heron.
Not just a heron.
It's a
Ow.
type of heron.
So there's more than one type of heron?
Yes.
I probably just sounded really stupid for not knowing that.
Oh, more Saskatoon berries.
Well, you haven't died from the last one, so why don't you go ahead and pick them?
Now they're too high up. I already picked like so many this last weekend.
You were here last weekend?
No, at Little Loon.
Oh.
You can have some if you would like. Or not.
Sorry, there's like taste in my upper left mouth.
Upper left mouth.
No, on the right side of my mouth there's like a lot of bug spray still, and I'm trying to get it off, but I can't. Ugh. Now my hair is in my mouth. What are you doing?
I'm done with that.
This is nice. I like this. Oh, so now you jump over the tree.
Well, that one was already on the ground.
So was the one that I stepped on.
That's actually living.
Oh my goodness. Stop eating berries.
There are edible.
Oh, ow, ow. Pokey branch.
The berries are edible. They are fine.
Alright, just don't want you dying on me.
I am amazing at
Ow.
distinguishing berries. Look at all of them here.
There's
So many.
a lot. You know, whenever I walk past here with like my family, I always thought, don't eat the berries, they're poisonous. Don't eat the berries, they're
And
poisonous.
I even think eat the berries. They're not poisonous.
Yeah. I just walked on a branch. Who's screaming over there?
There's so many berry bushes here though.
This is a lot. They're like all over.
You
Ow.
can make so many pies.
Eh. I think there's like a fork coming up or something, but I'm not sure.
We'll find our way.
Since the picnic table, we've been walking for 8 minutes. Get off my screen. Stupid mosquito. Get off me. Get off me. I stepped on something. Ow.
Sorry, that was me.
Pieces of Mother Nature.
Saskatoon berry farmers here? There's just
Ow.
so many.
Well, if it is a farmer, then they have a really bad way of keeping their produce safe.
Yeah.
We're almost at the top. I can see a bench. Ow.
Oh, this isn't actually. You said this took you an hour.
Well, I guess it took less time than I thought, alright? I was like 10 when we last did this.
Oh.
I had a,
did this recently.
oh, ow. I had like a bad sense of time back then, alright?
Alright.
Well, it hasn't been that long since I've actually been here, but it's been like a few years since I've actually climbed up this high.
Oh. Is this as high as you can get?
Don't know. Keep walking. I think there's more trails that go down this side of the hill or something. Whew. Do you want to sit?
Yes.
Well, isn't this a nice view of the lake? Oh, ow. Oh, I keep tripping on stuff. There's the boat launch over there.
We walked all the way from that beach all the way around.
All the way around. I'm in zoom mode and I still can't get the whole picture. Oh wait, no, that doesn't make any sense. There we go.
And the
Much
lake is
better.
huge. Like, look at that. It goes way over there.
It's like really big.
Mm-hmm.
Way over there.
Like, Little Loon is like, if you went here and like cut it off, like this area. not the rest. Just like.
Like, where's where the shore is?
Which shore?
Like the beach. Where is it?
Over there. You see those yellow ducks?
Oh.
That's that White House.
Oh, wow. That's like... Ow, go away, bug. That's like way over there. Jeez. There, and I didn't hit stop this time like a dummy. It's very lovely up here. I can hear people screaming from the boat launch.
Alright, we can make our way.
My goodness. Why do you want so many berries?
Maybe they're just naturally grown.
Yeah. You know, what would you do if you just randomly found like a recording video camera in the middle of nowhere? Would you take it home and watch it, or just leave it alone?
Watch the videos on it, you mean?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'd probably take it home and watch it, to be honest.
Yeah, well, I guess so. It's not like you're just gonna leave a camera there. You're gonna take it home and use it.
Yeah.
Or like take it to Lost and Found or something.
Something, yeah. Ow. But what if you found like something like horrific on the tapes?
I would call the police.
Probably, yeah.
But then they'd be like, are you sure you didn't record this? They'd probably like...
I found it in the middle of nowhere, for goodness sake. I literally found it in the desert. This dude was being chased by a psychopath.
Oh my gosh, that'd be a little bit terrible.
Yeah, sorry, I got carried away.
Yeah.
Holy water.
It's like the ocean.
Should call this Redberry Ocean.
Yeah.
Not lake.
What's like, is there like a thing that's between
Ow,
like a lake and an ocean? Because like, Redberry Lake would be that.
Well, yeah, probably.
But there's like also way bigger lakes than this too. Like, I know we go like Turtle Lake is huge too, and there's other lakes around the world that are even bigger. So like, that's a little bit insane.
Yeah. But if like every lake that's as big as this was called an ocean, then the whole world might as well just be an ocean.
Yeah. Look how pretty the
Hey, look at that little flowing ocean. That's a river, sweetie. No, they changed all of their names to ocean.
You know what's so yellow now?
Yeah, it kind of looks like a golf course.
A golf course is
Where the
like
heck
back
are we
there.
going?
I'm on a hike.
Ow, ow, ow. Mosquitoes.
By the time we like go back, they'll probably be there.
Probably.
Unless like the boys wanted to keep swimming.
Keep getting bit. I put on like 2 half cans of bug spray.
Yeah. I put on
Oh, frick.
some at home, and then some here, and then some at your campsite.
What was that?
I don't know.
I'm just like filming your legs because I'm just getting my bugs off me. Ow, stop. This is why I'm a bad film taker.
Oh my gosh, the hole.
Yeah, I saw the hole. It's probably like a gopher hole or badger hole or something.
There's no tunnels, it's just, oh, no, there's no tunnels.
Just a hole.
Wow. That was my shoe, by the way.
It just squeaks.
Yeah.
Does this loop back around or something?
I don't know.
Like, where are we going?
Well, if it keeps going further, we could just turn around, but like, we should see where it goes.
Yeah, it goes down there,
Oh, let's keep going.
I think. Ow.
I've never been over here before. Like, the farthest I've ever been is a boat launch.
First I've ever been is here.
Let's keep going. We will make it all the way on the lake in less than 2 hours.
It's 9:03.
Yeah, you're at home by midnight. Oh, look at how skinny the trail just gone.
Oh goodness, I don't know if I want to walk through that.
We could walk through that.
Are you sure? Because it's 9:03 now, and my uncle's
Why
supposed to
don't
be
we
coming.
just see where it goes after these bushes?
Fine.
Like,
If it doesn't go anywhere, like leading back to our campsite, then we're going back.
okay.
Or my campsite, sorry. Ow.
I love how you're being the responsible one here, and I'm just like, let's go across the world.
I'm gonna pause it.